What's the meaning of Chief Rabbi? Chief Rabbi. Chief Rabbi.
Chief Rabbi. Chief Rabbi. The title of Chief Rabbi refers to the most senior religious leader and authority within the Jewish community of a particular country or region. The Chief Rabbi is responsible for providing guidance and making decisions on matters of Jewish law, as well as representing the community in public forums. The role has traditionally been one of great importance and influence within Jewish society, and is often held by individuals with significant knowledge and experience in religious scholarship and leadership. In some cases, there may be more than one chief rabbi serving different branches of the Jewish community.